Hi, it's Mamnoon here, founder of PureMail.ai. So sometimes it happens that you have set the profile picture on your Google account, but when you send email or receive email, it doesn't display your profile picture. So I get this question many times from my clients that they have set the profile picture, but it doesn't display the profile picture when they send an email, and it also doesn't give the personalization impact on the cold email. So I'm gonna show you how you can fix this, and you will have profile picture displayed on every email you send. So what you need to do is you need to go to admin console. So head over to admin.google.com, log in with your Google account, and then from the left side go to directory and click on directory settings. So once you are here, click on profile editing and make sure profile picture is checked. Once it is checked, click on save. Once you save this setting from your admin console, go back to your Gmail account. So the Gmail account that you want to fix over or set the profile picture, go over to that. Click on the right side icon here and click on manage your Google account. Once you are here on the screen, click personal info from the left side and click your picture, profile picture, and change the visibility to anyone. If it is people you interact with, Google will only show your image to people you have conversation with. Like if you have 4 or 5 messages back and forth, it will show your image, but it will not pop up your image instantly. So what you want to do is you want to change the setting to anyone. Once you set this to anyone, just click save and you are good. So once you have done that settings, now if you send email to anyone, this profile picture would be displayed.